Hello, Ian.
Hello, my friend.
What on earth have we got here?
Oh, it's a new toy.
Fantastic. Bang Olufsen box, bring it in.
Come on then.
Right then, what have we got?
Right, where are we going?
Oh, in here, please, Ian.
Okay, here we come then.
Yeah. I'm intrigued. I want to know what's going on here.
Well, it's a new toy.
That is a fair sized box. Let's just, yes.
This is the very latest Be Sound, not Be Play.
Right.
A9, 5th generation.
Fifth gen.
5th gen.
Right. Wow.
Anyway, shall we have an unbox?
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, let's have a look.
Let's do it. Come on.
Right. Okay.
Point out, there are classically 3 holes on the back of the A9 A9 product.
Yep.
At the rear here, you have what you call B, B, and A.
Yeah.
Okay, and they're matching.
Yes.
On the actual units, they are different sizes, and as you can see, it is a different numeric, not numeric, a different alphabetic symbol on each one. So A, B, and B.
Yep.
Very important. You don't try and force them to go into the right ones.
Good point. So we've got mains cable. And then, right, so...
Just unplug and release that one.
Yeah.
Now what we normally do at this point, and this is one of the reasons why the box is cut away here, is you actually connect the legs in at this point.
Excellent. So A in the middle.
A in the middle.
And yeah, that's slightly thicker than the other two.
It is.
So I hope this shows as well on camera as it does in real life, because that is really nice. There's quite a depth to the fabric. There's a real texture to it.
Oh yes.
That is good. I mean, I've seen a lot of A9s of the different versions, but that is really smart.
There's the variations of how to say kvadrat, or however you do it.
Kvadrat.
Kvadrat. I think you do it better than me.
So this is now Mozart based, so we've got better room compensation, we've got AirPlay 2, Chromecast, Spotify Connect. It should also be supporting Tidal with the updates. Yeah, Bluetooth. Right, brilliant, thanks. There's also the difference on the connections. First bit I always look at is it's a USB-C input for audio. USB-C. So there's a little adapter included, and then obviously I make a version of those as well, but that comes with the speaker, so that makes life a little bit easier.
I've got to say that's the first speaker that has that as any functionality.
Yeah.
So it's fine. Okay, it's got to connect it a manual connection.
Yeah.
Obviously, if you have a turntable or an auxiliary source that you want to plug into it, then that's how you activate it, which is fine.
That's right. So Beogram 4000C, for example, that comes with the cable that I make that converts DIN to 3.5mm So that will just plug straight into here and into the USB-C.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, nice and easy.
Now the other visual elements, they've got a slightly different tone of leg on them as well.
Yeah.
You've got at launch we have the silver, we have the black, and we have the gold tone which we brought for you today.
Yeah.
And they're the three colour swatches or SKUs that are going to be at launch.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's
that is nice. That
That's-
really looks good. And I mean, the colour scheme in here is fairly neutral, and
well,
this really
well,
looks
that's why I
the
did
part.
ask about your
Yeah.
colour scheme. I thought it's the best one to bring down is that one. Really.
Yes. So potentially, we've got a BO System 3500 up on the cabinet behind us, and we could get this A9 working from the PowerLink output of that with a nice and easy PowerLink to 3.5mm cable plus that adapter that's in the bag, and we can get it playing. This is my friend and my cousin.
Your friend and your cousin's plug for their album.
Yeah.
This is Small Boats by
Steve Atkinson.
Steve Atkinson.
Yes.
Famous.
So let's have a look.
Infamous even.
Yeah. So we should start the Biogram playing that's up on the wall. And let's see if the A9 will pick that up. We might need to just...
On the curbstone, you can only win. Only once in a lifetime.
It works.
Yeah.
But you feel
That is a lovely sound.
when you're starry-eyed and you feel, and your heart's on fire, but you're acting cool. You'll never see those latch you tied, looking at them starry-eyed. Homeward in a world you might even run.
Oop.
Tapped it, muted it.
Ah, that's worth knowing.
Obviously, tapping the right and left won't put the next track because it's vinyl.
No. Mhm. But that's a lovely rich sound.
Yeah.
And with the double bass playing there, you can tell immediately. I know you can't comment on this versus 18s, but I love the style of BLAB 18s. But for me, the big 8
Well, there's
inch
nothing wrong
weight
with the style
bass-
of this. It's a choice, isn't
yeah.
it? But at least people now got a choice.
Yeah.
Because you've now got Mozart, we can give people a choice or customers a choice properly
Yes.
of two really good, another pair of speakers.
Mm.
So in the portfolio, we now really balance stereo
Yeah.
pair with the Mozart, A9, BLAB 18, although not Mozart, but BLAB 18, obviously BLAB 28s, 50s, and obviously
Yeah.
the bad boys at the 90s. So what do you think, Steve? You having one? Shall I leave it with you?
I do like this. I do like this. What I have got to do though is get my other half to come and have a look.
Well, yeah,
And,
the power
yeah.
that be. But yeah, it's a great product, isn't it?
Yeah, I must admit, I've been, since the first one came out 10 years ago, I liked it, but I had reservations, and gradually as each iteration has come out and the features have improved, it's gone up and up in my estimation. And now with the rear firing speakers that just fill the room with sound, yeah, this has become something really special.
Yeah.
When you're starry-eyed and you feel, and your heart's on fire, but you're acting cool. You'll never see